एवरीवन, आज हम क्लास 12th का इंग्लिश का जर्नी टू द एंड ऑफ द अर्थ लेसन के इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट विद द टीम ऑफ विच कंट्री डिड तिशानी दोशी वेंट टू अंटार्कटिका? ए यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका, बी इंडिया, सी रशिया या डी कनाडा? सो योर करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, रशिया। रशिया इज करेक्ट आंसर। नाउ मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Next question is, from which city does this author's journey starts? A. Madras, B. Cochin, C. Veeraval, या D. Panjim? So your correct answer is option A, Madras. Madras is correct option. Now move on to next question. Next question is, after the start of the journey, how many hours did the team travel till they reached Antarctica? So your correct options are 90, 200, 100 या 48. So your correct answer is option C, 100. 100 is your correct answer. 100 hours. Now next question is that what was Gondwana? Snow animal, giant glacier, giant animal, ancient supercontinent. So your correct answer here is ancient supercontinent, option D. And Gondwana was an ancient supercontinent. Now next question is, how was Antarctica 650 million years ago? Snowy place, sea, warm place, or mountainous? So your correct answer is option C is correct, warm place. It was a warm place. Now next question is that what caused Antarctica to freeze? Option A, drop in temperature, collision of meteors, amalgamation of Gondwana, a fall station. So your correct answer here is, the correct answer is option C, amalgamation of Gondwana. Now next question is, Antarctica is best to study future, past, present, all of the above. So the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Option D is correct, all of the above. Now next question is that did the author see a living being in those snow covered plains? No, yes, there was doubt in her mind, not mentioned. So your correct answer is, so the correct answer is yes. Now next question is that whom does the author hold responsible for melting glaciers of Antarctica? Penguins, earthquakes, dinosaurs, or humans? So your correct answer is human. Human is correct answer. Option D, humans. Now next question is this, whom did Geoff Green want to include in his team to study Antarctica? Celebrities, high school students, retired rich, curiosity seekers. So your correct answer is high school students. He wanted to include high school students in his project. Now next question is, what is phytoplankton? Phytoplankton is crustaceans and jellyfish, floating debris, microscopic marine algae, or fish. So your correct answer is, so the correct answer is option C, microscopic marine algae. Now next question is that what can affect the marine life and phytoplanktons according to scientists? Depletion in ozone layer, human interference in Antarctica, killing of whales, all of the above. So your correct answer is option A is correct, depletion in ozone layer. Depletion in ozone layer. Now next question is, what is the meaning of the word epiphanes? Incidents, creativity, secrets, or confusions? So your correct answer is option B is correct, creativity. Creativity. Now next question is, how many people were there in the group of students on ice? 10, 12, 52, or 3? So your correct answer is option C, 52. 52 is correct. Now next question is that what animal did the author see in Antarctica? Dolphins, whales, kiwis, or crab eaters, seals? So your correct answer is, so here your correct answer is option D, crab eater seals. Crab eater seals. Now next question is, what was the name of the ship that took Doshi and team to Antarctica? Cruiser Moskva, Academic Solaski, or Grozny Crabtree? So your correct answer is option B, Academic Shokaski. Now next question is, the Drake Passage was created because of South America drifting off to join North America, Australia drifting off to join New Zealand, separation of South America and Africa, North America drifting off to join South America. So your correct answer is option A is correct, South America drifting off to join North America. Option A is correct. Now next question is that did the author experience walking on a thick blanket of ice in Antarctica? No, not mentioned. Yes, none of the above. So the correct answer is option C, yes. Now next question is that why does the author feel that humans have harmed nature in a very short time? Because of rapid change in technology, because of depletion of natural resources, because of illegal mining, all of the above. So the correct answer is option B is correct, because of depletion of natural resources. Now our next question is, why were teenagers chosen for the important task of saving the earth? Because of creativity, because they are next generation's policymakers, oxygen related issues in Antarctica, because they can implement quickly. So your correct answer is option B, because they are next generation's policymaker. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more such videos. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.